Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Market. Today, we're diving deep into Aster. We're going to find out, is this truly the revolution of perpetuals, or is it just another protocol backed by heavy marketing? We'll check out its technology, its key features, and at the end of the video, we'll look at where its price could go under different scenarios. But before we jump in, please remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Alright, let's get into it. Tech-wise, Aster defines itself as a next-generation decentralized exchange. It's not just built for traditional trading, it specializes in perpetual contracts and spot trading. Its secret weapon is being a 100% multi-chain exchange. Aster aggregates liquidity from BNB Chain, Ethereum, Solana, and Arbitrum into a single interface. This gives it a massive edge over platforms limited to just one ecosystem. Aster was officially formed in September 2025, following a merger between two DeFi protocols, Aster and APX Finance. Their goal is crystal clear: combine the best of centralized exchanges, fast interface, and advanced features with the core principles of DeFi, self-custody, and transparency. Plus, they're building their own Aster chain, a layer 1 designed specifically for high-frequency trading. They use zero-knowledge proofs to keep transactions private, fast, and secure, protecting sensitive trader data like position sizes and entry prices. It's basically like having the speed of a giant like Binance, but with total control over your own funds. All of this makes Aster a very ambitious player in the decentralized derivative space. Now, who's backing this project? Well, Aster has a very powerful friend. It's powered by YZi Labs, a company previously linked to Binance Labs and led by the famous Binance co-founder, Changpeng Zhao. With that kind of name behind it, you know there's serious capital involved, and the market cap proves it, but we'll get to that in a few seconds. Now for the part most of you are waiting for, let's look at some potential price scenarios. Aster's total supply is 8 billion tokens. At the time of recording this video, its price is 70 cents, and approximately 2.5 billion tokens are currently in circulation. Its market capitalization is approximately $1.73 billion. This places it at number 41 on CoinMarketCap. This market capitalization demonstrates the project's strength because, with only a few months of existence, it already has such a large market capitalization, showing that it's not a garage project, it's a heavy hitter. In the first scenario, if Aster rises to the top 30, it would reach a market capitalization of approximately $4 billion. This would place its price at approximately $1.70, representing a return on investment of roughly double. In the second scenario, if it hits the top 20, the market cap would jump to around $8 billion. The price would sit at approximately $3.18, representing a return on investment of 4x. And in the moon scenario, if we get highly speculative and Aster enters the top 10, where only the market leaders live, it would reach a market cap of about $26 billion. This would skyrocket the price to $11, representing a return on investment of 15x. Please remember these are just projections based on market cap growth. Whether these targets are hit depends on many factors like sustained protocol use, global expansion, and actual adoption by institutional traders. Where can we buy the token? We can find it on most major centralized exchanges like Binance, MEXC Global, OKX, and Bybit. For decentralized exchanges fans, it's available on Aster's own exchange, PancakeSwap and Uniswap. Finally, let's look at the advantages and risks of this project. Among the pros we have seamless user experience. They promise a very fluid interface. The platform prevents bots from front-running or stealing from your trades. If you don't know what MEV is, I'll leave a link at the end of the video explaining it. Advanced architecture, multi-chain support combined with user privacy. The CZ factor. Having the backing of someone like CZ who has over 10 million followers on X, is huge. Binance listing. It was listed on Binance almost from day one, providing incredible liquidity. And now let's look at the cons. New project risk. Being so new, some investors might still feel hesitant. Stiff competition. Currently, Hyperliquid is the #1 decentralized derivatives exchange. That's the giant Aster needs to beat, or at least manage to take a good slice of the market away from them. Regulatory hurdles. The on-chain derivatives sector still faces global regulatory and adoption challenges. YZi still has work to do to build universal trust. In conclusion, Aster is a solid project with technology that solves real problems in DeFi. It has the investors, the community, and a token burn system that makes it very attractive. Its biggest challenge will be keeping up the pace of innovation against other DEXs fighting for the throne. Well, that's all for today. Remember, these videos are for informational purposes only. If you enjoyed the content, please give me a like, share the video, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.